In this video, we're going to give you
three tips
on how to apply the law of attraction.
And why the secret doesn't work.
Plus, stay to the end for a secret weapon on using the law of attraction.
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From Zen Rose Garden.
.com.
Yes.
Helping people create
badass lives.
Here we go.
Tip number 1.
What is the secret?
The secret is a method or a construct to manifest what you want through amplified, sometimes over-exaggerated positive thinking.
So the idea is that whatever you put out, you get back. You are a magnet attracting whatever you want from the universe itself. So whatever you put out, that's what you're getting back.
The key here to the secret is to eliminate any negative thoughts that do not support what you want. In other words, you want to focus on the desire of what you want. Like, I want money, I have money, money's in my bank account already, I'm very rich. What you don't want to focus on is, I don't have money, I need money, I've got to have money to pay my bills. You're focusing on money, but you're focusing on the negative aspects of money, the lack of money or the not having enough money. So the secret is about eliminating any negative thoughts that don't support the having of the money or the thing that you want.
Tip number 2.
We get what we think we deserve.
Your brain on the secret, how the mind actually works. So we've got 10% of our mind that is our conscious mind. This is where the desire lives. We want a better house, we want more money, we want all of these things. That's where the desire lives, is in that conscious mind that you're trying to make a change with. The subconscious mind, 80 to 90% of your mind, is where you have your stored program value. That is where your deserving comes in. So you've got desire, which is 10% of your mind, and deserving, which is that 80 to 90% of your mind. Which one's going to win?
The 90% of the mind is going to get you what you think you deserve unconsciously. We don't always get what we want just because we're thinking of it consciously. We don't always get what we need, contrary to the Rolling Stones, just because we're asking for it consciously. However, we always get what we think we deserve. We don't always get what we want unless what we want is in line with what we think we deserve. Tip number 3.
Honesty is the best policy.
Be honest about what you want. Think about why you were asking for specific things that you were putting out there into the world. 2 of the biggest things that we ask for are love and money. Oh, and success.
And think about the what. The love, the money, the success, the career, the relationship, whatever it is, that's the what. And then think about the why. The why is the pain that we're trying to solve.
If you are asking for these things that you desire for the reason that it will fix your pain, you gotta reanalyze and ask some questions. Ask the hard questions. For instance, how do you feel right now? Do you have shame without the money or the status that other people have? Think about those things. Do you feel unlovable without a lover?
So those are examples of pain points that you're trying to solve by a what. If you have a relationship, then it solves the lover issue or feeling loved issue. If you've got the money, then it solves the status issue. The reality is we only accept the love we feel we deserve. And that's from Perks of Being a Wallflower.
Love that movie. And now it's time for the bonus tip.
So in order for the secret to work, you have to be in alignment with what it is that you're actually wanting. So your conscious mind says, I want this, and your subconscious mind has to be on the same page. Otherwise, you're fighting a losing battle. But when they're on the same page, that's when everything, conscious and subconscious, becomes the same team, and then you're playing with a winning team.
Then it becomes magical.
That's the magic shortcut. Do the work.
So ask yourself, what in your life is not in alignment with what you want? That could be thoughts or beliefs or people in your world or situations. Think really seriously about what is not in alignment and get rid of those things. We have no idea how much energy those things are sucking from us and taking us away from the things that we want to achieve or get from life until we get rid of them.
Absolutely. And when you look at what is literally standing between you and your goals, you and your desires, you and your ultimate life, you've got to look at the fears, the doubts, the insecurities, the blocks, the people, the situations, and the circumstances that you're continuing to allow in your life. Those are indicators that your subconscious mind is not in line with your desires.
So ask yourself why you are afraid to let those things go.
The great news is that when your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are in alignment, they become a powerhouse team of genuine manifestation from your true desires and your true value.
That is the secret to the secret.
You just learned how to use the secret.
So now it's time for that secret weapon.
We created a special bonus meditation for healing limiting beliefs.
Click the link in the description to get it.
Get it.
Get it now. It's Truth Bomb time.
Leave your truth bomb moments and any questions that you have in the comments below.
If you liked this video, hit the like button.
Now I know you can think of at least 2 people that can benefit from this information, so share it with anyone that comes to mind. And if you're ready to take your badass life to the next level,
be sure to subscribe
and click the bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.